Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will show you how you can create templates in Mailchimp. Templates has never been so easy than before. So let me show you how you can do that. First of all, templates come by default in Mailchimp. There's several templates that you can start with. So as you can see here, this is the library for the premium accounts. So for me as a free account, I can't be using them, but you guys, in case you had the premium account, well, you have the full access to each one of these templates. Let me show you what are these templates and how do they look like. So here, if I went down, these are the templates that we have. Of course, they serve for different purposes. We can select the purpose that we want from here in the menu and see what purpose we would like it to be. For example, we would like to sell a product, then we can use this one. If we want to use it for newsletter, then we can use that one. So there is several ways and several methods and several purposes to actually use a template for. Now, how can we create our own? It's pretty easy. Go back to the first page where you are in the dashboard, and from here on templates place, click on start from scratch. In here, you will be able to create a template on your own design, making your own logo, and doing the same thing that these other people are doing, which is making your brand templates feel the same way you are imagining it. So here you can add your logo. Here are the blocks. We have hidden, paragraph, button, divider, spacer, and so much more stuff that you can add to your layout and make your design looks better. So this is basically just a scratch design that I've made before in our previous videos. You can of course make it look much more prettier. You can remove this. If you want to know how to remove this footer, you have to watch our video about how to remove Mailchimp logo from footer, and this is basically the way how you can create your template. Once you're done, click on save and exit, and you can here save as a template. So this is can be your template. So name it, for example, template test, and save it. And as you can see, this is how we done our template. Thank you guys, and see you next video.